The 1X Player G1 stands out as a versatile, high-performance handheld console designed to meet the demands of both gamers and professionals. Offering an unparalleled balance between power and portability, this device excels in delivering seamless gaming and productivity experiences. Its compact form factor ensures effortless use for long periods, whether you're immersed in intense gaming sessions or tackling work tasks. In a world saturated by flat screens and filtered media, Looking Glass Portrait unlocks a powerful portal into three-dimensional storytelling. Designed for boundary pushers, visual artists, designers, filmmakers, and photographers, this cutting-edge holographic display transforms everyday creative work into luminous spatial narratives. It arrives fully equipped with a preloaded demo reel, offering an immediate taste of the possibilities without the need for setup or downloads. The Obsbot Tiny 2 Lite is a compact yet powerful webcam designed to elevate your video streaming and communication experience. Equipped with a 4K resolution, it delivers stunning clarity for any video conference, meeting, or content creation. The advanced AI tracking ensures that you remain in the frame at all times, making it ideal for dynamic presentations or live streaming. This camera also features pan-tilt-zoom functionality, providing you with flexible control over your angles for a more engaging viewer experience. Bloom Kitchen revolutionizes the way you can grow your own nutrient-dense spirulina in the comfort of your home. With its innovative countertop appliance, this system offers a simple, sustainable solution to cultivate this powerful superfood. Equipped with a nutrient tablet and a carefully engineered light and heat regulation system, the Bloom appliance ensures optimal conditions for spirulina growth. The process is fully controlled via a user-friendly smartphone app, allowing for real-time monitoring and adjustments. In an unexpected leap beyond convention, Kawasaki has unveiled the Corio, a revolutionary quadrupedal motorcycle that mirrors the stature and movement of a massive robotic canine. Revealed during an auto exhibition in Osaka, Japan, the Corio defies traditional vehicle design with its biomechanical legs replacing standard wheels. Engineered to stride with precision, each of its 4 articulated limbs features paw-like structures and dynamic joints, allowing the machine to adapt across uneven terrain, climb hills, and maintain stability on rugged landscapes. The Neor LS Smart Bidet Toilet combines advanced technology with sophisticated design to elevate your bathroom experience. Featuring a sleek one-piece skirted design with metallic trim options in silver, nickel, or black, this bidet toilet is as stylish as it is functional. With ultra-high-efficiency dual flush options of 1.0 gallons per flush and 0.8 gallons per flush, it ensures water conservation without sacrificing performance. When you're on the move and demand purity with precision, this bottle responds with innovation. Crafted for the forward thinker, it combines intelligent hydration tracking with advanced filtration and self-cleaning power, all housed in a sleek stainless steel body. The built-in essential filter eliminates chlorine, PFAS, and other unwanted elements, leaving you with crisp, clean-tasting water wherever you are. The bottle practically cleans itself so you don't have to. Designed from double-wall, vacuum-insulated 1880 stainless steel, your drink stays ice-cold for a full 24 hours, no matter the heat outside. Built for those who venture off the grid and demand serious power, this 40,000 mAh portable power bank delivers a rugged, high-capacity solution for charging multiple devices. With a transparent LCD display offering real-time battery insight, this compact powerhouse stands ready for action. It supports blazing fast 100-watt power delivery charging and features dual USB-C and dual USB-A ports, perfect for laptops, tablets, phones, drones, or even gaming handhelds. Breathe beneath the waves without the burden of traditional tanks. Sea Air redefines how we explore the underwater world. Engineered for simplicity and efficiency, this fully self-contained tankless diving system floats effortlessly on the surface while delivering clean, reliable air to divers below through a high-performance battery-powered compressor. Compact and lightweight, Sea Air makes every dive smoother, longer, and more accessible, whether you're exploring coral reefs or gliding through calm coastal waters. When deep muscle fatigue sets in after long hours on your feet or relentless workouts, you need more than a gentle touch. You need results. The Oyo Total Body Massage delivers exactly that. Designed with a 2-in-1 system, it merges lateral vibration and percussion therapy for powerful relief. Whether you're battling tension in your lower back, stiffness in your shoulders, or soreness in your legs, this massager gets to the root of the issue with precision. The innovative vibrating belt moves side to side, penetrating tight muscle fibers with rhythmic power. In the evolution of wearable technology, Techno redefines the standard with its AI Glasses series, crafted to blend intelligence with precision. Introducing the Techno AI Glasses and Techno AI Glasses Pro, this pioneering lineup offers more than just smart eyewear. At its core is an industry-leading 50-megapixel smartphone-grade imaging system, capturing ultra-detailed visuals in real time, perfect for dynamic urban landscapes or professional documentation. Effortlessly redefining what compact aerial photography can achieve, the DJI Flip drone delivers performance and precision in a featherweight body. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it skips FAA registration while packing serious hardware. A built-in 3-axis gimbal ensures your 4K UHD footage stays rock steady, even in breezy conditions or sharp maneuvers. From first light to deep dusk, this intelligent home sentinel never rests. Equipped with face recognition, it identifies familiar faces and alerts you instantly to unknown visitors. Its early fire detection system scans for smoke signatures and sudden thermal spikes, giving you precious seconds when it matters most. Safety extends indoors with elder fall recognition, which notifies caregivers the moment a tumble is detected. No delay, no guesswork. In the fast-paced world of remote work, small devices can make a big difference. Meet BOP, a minimalistic 3-button controller designed specifically to give you quick access to your mic, camera, and screen share in virtual meetings. With BOP, fumbling with on-screen icons or shortcut keys is a thing of the past. Each button is tactile, intuitive, and dedicated. One press mutes or unmutes your mic, another toggles your camera, and the last handles screen sharing. No distractions, just direct control. A performance laptop that doesn't lock you into one future. This is the philosophy behind the Framework Laptop 16. Designed with a 16-inch high-resolution display and engineered for creators, gamers, and developers alike, this machine breaks the mold by giving users total control over its evolution. Built around a unique modular concept, every key component can be swapped, upgraded, or repaired using simple magnetic connections and standardized interfaces. Not every smartphone gets attention from tech giants and social media icons, but the Huawei Mate XT breaks that mold with force. This tri-folding marvel isn't just a concept, it's a real commercially available powerhouse with the kind of presence that turns heads. What sets it apart isn't just the rare triple-fold mechanism, but the precise engineering behind it. Fully unfolded, it stretches into a massive 10.2-inch OLED LTPO display, just 0.14 inches thick, thinner than most tablets or even traditional smartphones. The DuX Float redefines mobile computing with its sleek, ergonomic design. This portable monitor, designed to enhance productivity on the go, offers a stackable screen solution that adds a convenient second display to your laptop. Ideal for multitaskers, the DuX Float easily attaches to the back of your device, folding flat for easy transport. Its lightweight, ultra-thin build ensures you won't be weighed down during travel. Equipped with a vibrant touchscreen, the DuX Float brings intuitive control, allowing you to interact directly with your content. The Ace Pro 2 Dual Battery Bundle is a high-performance action camera engineered for those seeking unparalleled video quality and functionality. Co-engineered with Leica, this camera delivers 8K video resolution, ensuring every moment is captured in crisp, stunning detail. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor excels in low-light environments, providing superior clarity even in dim settings. Designed with motorcyclists in mind, the Ace Pro 2 offers remarkable stabilization, capturing smooth footage regardless of the terrain or speed. Power your setup with the Aurora 20-in-1 docking station, engineered to elevate every part of your workspace. Built with a staggering 128 terabytes of combined HDD and SSD storage, it gives you unmatched capacity to manage projects, backups, and intensive workflows with ease. Featuring 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, this dock ensures blazing fast file movement across your devices without delay. Designed for versatility, it includes both PD85W and PD30W fast charging ports, alongside a built-in power strip for additional charging flexibility. Expand your visual reach effortlessly with HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, supporting seamless multi-display setups at high resolutions. Its 2.5 gigabit Ethernet wired network port delivers robust and rapid internet connectivity, ideal for streaming, gaming, or heavy file uploads. Keeping your indoor air safe has never been more effortless. With its wide 3.6-inch display, the SwitchBot Meter Pro CO2 provides instant, easy-to-read information on CO2, concentration, temperature, humidity, date, time, and comfort levels. This compact yet powerful monitor delivers a complete snapshot of your environment, helping you know exactly when to ventilate for better air quality. Engineered with Swiss-made NDIR sensors, it achieves remarkable accuracy, measuring CO2 levels every second within a range of 400 to 9,000 parts per million and maintaining a precision of plus or minus 50 parts per million. Dependable sensitivity ensures fast and accurate feedback to maintain healthy indoor conditions. Built for those who refuse to leave great sound behind, the Musen Wild Mini brings unmatched performance into rugged terrain. Inspired by retro military design, this Bluetooth speaker delivers bold sound without compromise, making it the perfect partner for weekend trips, solo adventures, and untamed exploration. Wherever your path leads, the Musen Wild Mini unleashes your inner wildness with powerful audio that fills open spaces. Equipped with a built-in LED light, it's equally ready for twilight treks, late-night campfires, or evening hikes. Turn up the volume with confidence. Its compact frame hides astonishing strength, blasting your favorite tracks without sacrificing clarity or depth. With intuitive onboard controls, you can skip songs, adjust volume, and manage playlists directly from the speaker without ever reaching for your phone. Roasting coffee at home just reached new heights. BeanBond delivers everything you expect from a top-tier home coffee roaster. With a compact, sturdy build and intuitive operation, it transforms green beans into cafe-worthy roasts in the comfort of your kitchen. Pre-programmed with 8 expert-crafted roasting settings, BeanBond removes the guesswork while maintaining full control for the enthusiast, ready to fine-tune every batch. Equipped with 3 versatile modes, it allows beginners and seasoned roasters alike to unlock the full flavor potential of their favorite beans. Each setting adjusts heat and timing to bring out distinct notes, whether you crave a bold dark roast or a bright aromatic light roast. Designed for precision, the BeanBond ensures consistent results with every batch handling up to 8.8 ounces of beans effortlessly. Revolutionize your workspace with Edge Pro, an innovative system designed to enhance productivity and flexibility. This ecosystem of modular components offers seamless integration, allowing you to tailor your workstation to fit your needs perfectly. Whether you're working from home or in a professional environment, Edge Pro's versatility gives you the freedom to design an efficient and personalized setup. The system features a cutting-edge structure that is compatible with MagSafe, making setup and adjustments easy and secure. Each component is magnetically detachable, allowing you to use them independently for added convenience. Strong enough to support tablets and iPads, Edge Pro ensures your devices stay securely in place while you work. With its adjustable height, you can achieve optimal viewing angles, and the system's rotatable feature enables you to switch between landscape and portrait modes effortlessly. The Basius Pico Go power bank is a compact and versatile 10,000 mAh external battery designed for quick and efficient charging. With its 45-watt output, this power bank supports fast charging, making it an excellent choice for those who need reliable power on the go. It features 3 output ports, including a built-in USB-C cable, ensuring you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're using it for smartphones, tablets, or laptops, the Pico Go power bank delivers a steady and reliable power supply. Designed with PPS, PD, and QC fast charging protocols, this device adapts to the power needs of your electronics for optimal efficiency. Its sleek, portable form factor allows it to slip easily into a bag or pocket, making it a perfect travel companion. With its blend of power, portability, and versatility, the Basius Pico Go power bank is ideal for users who prioritize both performance and convenience. Enhance your outdoor cooking experience with practical tools designed to elevate every meal. The innovative design allows for effortless portability, making it ideal for camping or hiking trips. Maximize your storage efficiency by strategically packing your alcohol stove and essential accessories into compact compartments, giving you more space for other gear. This thoughtful design ensures you can carry everything you need without compromising on comfort. With a non-stick coating, cleaning becomes a breeze, while the stain-resistant surface ensures your tools stay looking new even after frequent use. The griddle marks add a professional touch, elevating the presentation of your meals by separating juices and creating those signature grill lines that make everything look as good as it tastes. The Bravoy Espresso Maker offers an innovative solution for coffee lovers on the go. This portable espresso machine is designed to brew both ground coffee and capsules, allowing for versatile brewing options. With a robust 20-bar pressure system, it extracts rich, full-bodied espresso, mimicking the experience of a traditional espresso machine. Whether you prefer your coffee from capsules or freshly ground beans, this device accommodates both seamlessly. Its compact design makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, including camping, RV trips, or hiking. Introducing the Mesmo Globe Liquid, an extraordinary desk toy designed to captivate the mind and elevate your workspace. With its mesmerizing kinetic movements and smooth, continuous flow, the Mesmo Globe brings a dynamic touch of artistry to your environment. It's not just a toy, it's a tool that helps enhance focus, spark creativity, and reset your mental state. Crafted with precision, the liquid motion creates a soothing optical illusion that draws the eye and calms the mind,